Hi there, I'm Steven, and welcome to today's thrilling tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to set up a fee display in Poshier POS. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have the following ready: an extra iPad for the fee display function, a subscription to Poshier POS, a stable internet connection on both iPads. Are you ready? First, grab your iPad and navigate to Settings. Head over to the Staff section and tap New to create a new staff account. This account will be used to log into the fee display. Don't forget to disable the POS and kitchen options here. Once you're done, tap Done to save your changes. Next, go to the POS section and enable the fee display. After that, return to the main POS function. Now, grab your second iPad, install Poshier POS, and log in using the same account as your main unit. You should see a screen showcasing the newly created account. Now let's head back to Settings and log in with the admin password. Scroll down to the fee display section. You can enter a personalized message for your customers. How about welcome, or thank you, or maybe something longer than 2 words? Next, tap on iPad 1 to assign this fee display to that device. In the POC section, scroll down to the bottom and hide the POS, Catalog, Report, and Help options, but keep the fee display enabled. To see these changes, simply restart the app. And there you have it. Now, let's run a quick test to see if everything is working smoothly. On your main unit, add some items to the cart and proceed to checkout. Awesome! It works perfectly. This wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.